We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the ZIUMIER Z20 gaming headset for PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series SX, PC, and Switch. If you own this headset, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The ZIUMIER Z20 is a wired, over-ear gaming headset designed to deliver an immersive audio experience across multiple platforms. It features 50mm drivers for enhanced surround sound, a noise-isolating microphone, RGB LED lighting, and compatibility with a wide range of devices via a 3.5mm audio jack. The headset is marketed as a professional gaming headphone, aiming to provide superior audio performance for gaming, movies, or music. The surround sound effect is particularly highlighted by users who play first-person shooters such as God of War, Fortnite, PUBG, and CSGO, where spatial awareness is crucial. The virtual surround sound generated by the large drivers creates a sense of distance and depth, allowing players to detect footsteps, gunfire, or environmental cues with greater clarity. Many reviewers note that the sound quality is impressive for the price point, with clear highs and solid bass response, making it suitable not only for gaming, but also for music and movie playback. Comfort is a major consideration for any gaming headset, and the ZIUMIER Z20 is designed with long sessions in mind. The lightweight construction, combined with breathable protein memory foam earpads, a retractable head beam, and a flexible headband, ensures that the headset can be worn for extended periods without causing significant discomfort. Users consistently mention that the headset feels comfortable during long gaming or chat sessions, though a few note that it can become slightly uncomfortable after several hours of continuous use. This is a common observation even among more expensive headsets, and for most users, the comfort level is more than adequate for typical gaming sessions. The microphone on the ZIUMIER Z20 is omnidirectional and features noise-canceling technology. This design allows for high-quality voice transmission, reducing background noise and ensuring that communication with teammates or friends remains clear and intelligible. Multiple reviews highlight the clarity of the microphone, with users reporting that their voices are picked up accurately without excessive background interference. The mute function is easy to use and reliable, and the microphone's performance is praised as being above expectations for a headset in this price range. The RGB LED lighting is another standout feature, adding a visual flair that appeals to gamers who appreciate aesthetics as well as functionality. The LEDs rotate through colors and can be powered via USB, though it is important to note that the USB connection is solely for lighting and not for audio. Users enjoy the customizable look that the lighting provides, and many mention that the headset looks especially good in a gaming setup or as a gift for teenagers and young adults. In terms of build quality, the ZIUMIER Z20 uses a combination of leather and plastic materials. The construction is generally regarded as solid for the price, with the braided, tangle-free cable receiving positive feedback for its durability and resistance to wear. The inline controls are straightforward, featuring a rotary volume controller and a microphone mute button that are easy to reach and operate. The headset's overall weight is just over 1 pound, making it light enough for comfort, but substantial enough to feel sturdy. Compatibility is a key selling point for the ZIUMIER Z20. With its standard 3.5mm jack, it works seamlessly with PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series SX, Nintendo Switch, PC, Mac, laptops, tablets, and even some phones. For Xbox One controllers with the 1537 model, an adapter is required. This broad compatibility is frequently cited as a major advantage, allowing users to switch between devices without needing multiple headsets. The headset's plug-and-play nature means that setup is quick and hassle-free, with no need for drivers or complicated installation processes. In terms of performance, the ZIUMIER Z20 consistently receives praise for delivering good value at its price point. Users describe the audio as serviceable for both gaming and general use, with the microphone often exceeding expectations for clarity. The headset is particularly recommended for those who want an affordable option without sacrificing essential features. Several reviews mention that the headset makes an excellent gift, especially for teenagers or casual gamers who want a stylish, functional headset without a high price tag. Some users who are not primarily gamers have also found the ZIUMIER Z20 to be a reliable choice for voice calls, online meetings, and general media consumption. The headset's versatility extends to non-gaming applications, such as long-distance communication via platforms like Discord, where clear audio and a comfortable fit are important. Over several months of regular use, the headset maintains its performance, with LEDs and controls remaining functional and sound quality staying consistent. However, there are some areas where the ZIUMIER Z20 may not meet the needs of more demanding users. Audiophiles or those seeking premium sound quality may find the audio to be average compared to higher-end headsets, though it is more than adequate for most gaming and communication purposes. The headset is not water-resistant, so care should be taken to avoid exposure to moisture. Additionally, while the materials and build are solid for the price, they may not match the durability of more expensive, all-metal headsets. The headset does not offer wireless connectivity, which could be a drawback for users who prefer a cable-free experience. The lack of advanced noise-canceling features beyond the microphone means that external sounds may still be audible during use, particularly in noisy environments. The frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 Kz is standard for most consumer headphones, providing a balanced sound profile but not delivering the extended range found in some premium models. The ZIUMIER Z20 is packaged with standard accessories and is suitable for adults and teens alike. The headset's design theme is clearly aimed at gamers, with its bold RGB lighting and over-ear shape. The included cable is long enough for most setups, and the controls are intuitive and responsive. The headset has received a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 1,200 ratings, indicating a high level of satisfaction among buyers. It ranks well in the video games category, particularly among PlayStation 4 headsets, and has been available since May 2020. The country of origin is China, and the manufacturer is ZIUMIER. In summary, the ZIUMIER Z20 gaming headset stands out as a versatile, affordable, and feature-rich option for gamers and general users alike. Its combination of good audio quality, clear microphone performance, comfortable fit, and striking RGB lighting makes it a popular choice for those seeking value without compromising on essential features. The headset's broad compatibility and ease of use further enhance its appeal, making it suitable for a wide range of applications beyond gaming. While it may not satisfy the most discerning audiophiles or those seeking wireless convenience, it excels as a budget-friendly, reliable headset that delivers on its promises. If you are looking for a solid, stylish, and comfortable headset for gaming, communication, or everyday use, the ZIUMIER Z20 is well worth considering. Don't forget, if you have experience with this headset, please leave your review in the comments below to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.